Explained by the Billy Meier contacts. Mysteries, myths, legends, conspiracy theories, historical inaccuracies, and more. Compiled by David Chance, revised October 18, 2023.
Philadelphia Experiment. Contact Report 400.
The fact that the Philadelphia experiment only corresponds to a fantastic swindle, because such an experiment has never taken place. And what can be said about the so-called Philadelphia experiment, about which, first of all, an author named Berlitz wrote an imaginative book? There has never been such an experiment, neither in the USA nor anywhere else on Earth. The whole fantastic story is basically based on the fraudulent claims of a man named Cal Allen regarding an alleged experiment with a ship called the USS Eldridge. The man thought that his tall tale would enhance his image and make him rich. When he did not succeed, and the situation became too precarious for him to be exposed as a liar, he disappeared without a trace. I know the story, but I did not know what the ship was called. It is said that in October 1943, the U.S. Navy conducted an experiment in the port of Philadelphia with enormous electromagnetic oscillations, etc., whereby the ship mentioned then disappeared without a trace, and reappeared 500 kilometers away in the port of Norfolk, only to disappear again after a short time and become visible again in the port of Philadelphia.
Yes, that is the tall tale in a nutshell.
Contact Report 593.
The fact that the Philadelphia experiment is nothing more than a fantastic hoax, because such an experiment never took place.
Contact Report 672, 20th Century Philadelphia Experiment. A U.S. military experiment allegedly led to the disappearance of a warship and its teleportation to another location. False. There has never been such an experiment in the USA or anywhere else on Earth. A book writer named Berlitz wrote a fantastic story, only according to the fraudulent claims of a man named Cal Allen. Contact Report 844.
Therefore, I will say nothing more about his Nikola Tesla's inventions, which he developed much further and more precisely than was known, although Svath advised him not to reveal this, as well as nothing about the possible applications. Since then, these have only triggered conjecture, lies, or simply nothing more than partly wild fantasies, which cannot be further than far from the truth. In particular, I am thinking of the fantasy story about the allegedly disappeared warship, whose alleged reappearance was supposed to have fused some of the crew members with the metal of the ship, which corresponds to an unparalleled nonsense.